Every patient has unique allergy immunotherapy needs. Tailoring these therapies for success demands not only precision, but also the highest quality of allergen extract materials. At ALK, we understand that the details make the difference. And that's why, over the past 100 years, we have perfected our methodology to guarantee purity and consistency. Our process comprises multiple stages, all equally important. Every step of the way, from the field to finished product, we have set the standards for allergen extract materials on a global scale, and we strive to improve whenever possible. For outdoor allergens, we start with growing and harvesting pollen in the field. Even at this stage, it's important to focus on every element. Specific details such as plant species and timing of pollination require us to adapt our harvesting techniques to achieve optimal results under any conditions. ALK owns more than 800 acres of exclusive farmland. Every inch is carefully overseen by an experienced team of agronomists, horticulturists and field technicians. By applying this high level of scrutiny, we're able to consistently improve the quality of our pollen products. After the pollen is collected, it is brought to our nearly 100,000 square foot facility in Post Falls, Idaho. This is where pollen is defatted and any foreign material is removed before it is sent to another ALK facility for protein extraction. Here, our team of experts take over to ensure that nothing falls through the cracks, while maintaining our strict standards and commitment to every detail. Allergy immunotherapy goes beyond pollen, and so do we. For example, when it comes to indoor allergens such as house dust mites and cockroaches, we apply the same level of care and consideration. ALK has one of the largest mite operations in the world. Using a process that includes a proprietary fractionation method, our scientists are able to isolate the protein that sensitizes so many patients. For cockroach harvesting, we use a special blend of vegetarian food to limit any contamination with animal-based pathogens. Again, this level of detail is necessary to ensure patients receive safe and effective immunotherapy. No matter what the allergen, we do extensive testing and quality checks to yield the consistent high-quality extracts that ALK is known for. This includes leveraging experts who use taxonomic keys and herbarium specimens to identify species, using microscopic examination to confirm the purity and integrity of raw materials, creating high-resolution scans to guarantee the quality and stability of source materials, and implementing rigorous auditing procedures, including maintaining documentation for up to 25 years. We recognise that details make the difference. So, for every single step of the process, from raw material collection and identification to quality standards and checkpoints, we aim to exceed expectations. And knowing how important allergy immunotherapy is for so many patients, ALK wouldn't have it any other way.